Alrighty, everybody, welcome back to another trade recap. Today was like I say all the time in every single one of my videos, a very simple day. Before I get started, I have the most delicious protein milkshake I've ever made. It is raw milk, raw whey protein, unflavored, with maple syrup and creatine. It tastes phenomenal. Make it. I promise you, make that. Okay. So what did 930 do? 930 opened up right here. Okay. We came down lower. We created internal turtle soup right here. So internal turtle soup right there. And then we displaced higher above these highs right here. Oops. And which we have rebalanced into right here. And then we displaced off of that. And the next draw on liquidity was these London highs up here. Okay. There was nothing past the London highs except these draws on liquidity up here. So what do we end up doing? We ended up sweeping out those London highs during the permitted time that I like to trade. And then we started to displace lower. What does that tell you? We've taken out a high, something like this, a very significant high, and we displaced lower, and we've disrespected this buy side imbalance. That kind of tells you the market wants to go lower, doesn't it? For at least this draw on liquidity here. So we get this very large displacement candle. I don't enter on this displacement candle. I wait for a little bit of a rebalance. So I get in off the rebalance, or I get in the rebalance right here. I have my stop loss right above the proper displacement candle. I don't want to see price action go above it because that would kind of mean it's invalid. Also, if you notice right here, what do we go into? This invalidation level. Why is this buy side imbalance an invalidation level, and why did price action come back into it and then displace off of it? I'll tell you why. First of all, what is an invalidation level? I don't even teach this in my Discord. I don't think you need it, but I think it's some actual sauce. An invalidation level is a buy side imbalance or a sell side imbalance that gets used as support initially, and then it gets disrespected. So if you notice, this buy side imbalance right here got tapped into at consequent encroachment, rejected off, so it was used as support, but then it got disrespected, okay? What does price action do? It comes back into that invalidation level right here at the midpoint at consequent encroachment, and then it displaces off of it. You could have literally caught your entry. You could have top ticked your entry right there if you're insane. If you understand invalidation levels, you could have taken it right at the invalidation level, because as you can see, at this 944 candle, we came into the invalidation level and then we rejected off of it. So you literally could have caught something like this, stop loss there. If you're insane, 7RR, but they don't always get tapped into, hence why I didn't enter off the invalidation level. But it still ended up working out. And then I targeted this draw on liquidity right here, giving me a 1 to 1.3 R at 46 points, 1 to 1.38 RR at 46 points. Yeah. So beautiful, very simple. After that, price action created internal turtle soup right here with an SMT, displaced higher. Could have gotten in off this rebalance here or whatever, stop loss there, and you still would have gotten like 30 points out of that little internal long, even though the market was bearish here and we had 10 a.m. news. So I caught my entry at a perfect time. It was at 9:43, so I had plenty of time before 10 a.m. news, and it was literally just as simple as these London highs getting swept, and we've displaced lower, disrespecting this buy side imbalance. I got in on the rebalance, and yeah, very simple day. 5-minute looked clear, 15-minute looked very clear. I like clean price action like this. We've been super volatile, meaning the candlesticks are a lot of points, hence why price action has been so good and why I have been doing so well. So yeah, pretty much that for the trade recap. It's that simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you next week. Peace out.